Do you want to change your financial reality in just 7 days? If yes, then you don't need luck. You need a money energy reset. Imagine how many times you have fight for money and you hate money when there is lack of money in your life. Maybe when you see your empty wallet, or maybe when your wife or mother asks you for money and you don't have any, or you have a bank balance less than 1000 rupees, or you fail to pay this month mortgage payment and now it has come back to you to pay with double interest, or you got an emergency and you're not ready for it, and you start having this toxic relationship with money, saying money is the root of all evil, or it's because of money I have a fight with my wife or my family last night, or it's because of lack of money I don't have any respect as a man or woman. Now, every time you go through this situation, you start hating more and more, and the relationship becomes more toxic, and you start hating more relationship. Imagine, would you like to be with the person who always script, hate, blame, bitch, and talk negative every now and then? No, right? Similarly, money don't go to someone who always talk negative, have a fight, hate, or jealous about money. Instead, start having a healthy conversation to improve your relationship with money by talking to money in a more positive and a happy way, as money is pure energy and it listens to you very, very closely. Money loves to be with someone who takes care of him wisely, positively, and more disciplined way. So next time when you see money, have a very healthy conversation in a very positive, respectful, and happy way. This is how you can start resetting your money energy. And if you want to fix and have a healthy relationship with money, then come and join my upcoming 7-day Money Divine Challenge, where I will help you to completely reset your money blueprint in just 7 days guaranteed, so that you have a very healthy and happy relationship with money. So go ahead and comment Money Divine and my team will send you the link to join my upcoming Money Divine Challenge. I'll see you there.